Sulfur is found in its elemental state. It is also a byproduct from the removal of sulfur from petroleum and natural gas. So sulfur is used in making sulfuric acid, which is very important chemical used in many industries. It is also used in making rubber tires more flexible. So the manufacture of sulfuric acid is known as contact process. So contact process uses sulfur and oxygen from air, and it is done in three stages. So the first stage is the oxidation of sulfur. So sulfur and oxygen react and they form sulfur dioxide. So the second stage is the main stage. It is the oxidation of sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide. So a catalyst is used and the temperature is 450 Celsius. So in the third stage, what happens is that the sulfur trioxide is absorbed into the solution of 98% sulfuric acid to produce a thick liquid called oleum. So oleum is added to water to form concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is how sulfuric acid is formed. So some of the uses of sulfuric acid are: if it is a dilute sulfuric acid, it is used as catalysts in many organic reactions, and it is also used to clean the surfaces of metals. If the sulfuric acid is concentrated, then it is used in car batteries and it is also used in acid drain cleaners.